had a false activation of our siren system. The siren tone that we heard on Saturday this week was what they call the attack mode. So it would have been the tone that would have been used during an air raid during the Cold War, or the one you see in the movies, like that's the imminent threat warning. I have multiple ways to receive those alerts. If it's a tornado warning, instead of going outside and looking at what the clouds are, go in and turn on the news and see what's going across the bottom of the screen, because that's where you're going to get the most effective information, or the alert on your cell phone.